Hello, beautiful ones. Today I have a message for those who feel stagnant or for those who feel that they are not progressing as fast or as much as they would like to. So the first thing that I would like to tell you is that sometimes progress is not obvious right away. Sometimes we need distance, we need time, we need space to be able to see how much we've actually progressed. Sometimes you don't realize it until you look back and you realize that maybe a year ago you were a completely different person, or maybe a year ago you reacted to something completely different than you do now, or better yet, your internal dialogue was maybe a little bit different when you were dealing with the same situation. So sometimes we want progress to be fast, right? We want it to be huge, we want it to be fast, but progress doesn't always work that way. Sometimes it's little steps. We take little steps and those little steps become bigger steps, right? So we make small changes in our life and those small changes add up to something bigger. Also, other times what happens is that progress can look like this, where you're taking 2 steps forward and 1 step backward, right? And I've talked to you guys about how there are times when we need to retrieve aspects of ourselves. There are times that we need to look back to be able to understand why certain things happen, and in order for us to be able to develop and grow in the way that we want to. And so progress doesn't necessarily always look like it's going up. Sometimes you're like this, right? You're like seesaw, that's how it works. So I just want to encourage you all to please not give up and don't get discouraged if you feel like you're not making enough progress. While you're alive and while you still have breath, you have the opportunity to progress and to evolve and to work on whatever it is that you want to work on. You are fully supported by the universe. I love you all so much. Bye-bye.